Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Nitro the Frog token. Now this is a brand new token on the Ethereum blockchain. It's doing very well, this token today. I saw it in the Ethereum section on Dex Screener, pretty big market cap already. I saw it pop up on Twitter yesterday as well, and we're going to go over the Nitro token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So Nitro the Frog, their Twitter is at Nitro Frog Tokens, and I'm going to put that up in the corner of the screen here. You see they have a blue verified check mark, 1,566 followers, has a link to their Telegram right there, has a link to their webpage. It says a fully decentralized, community-driven, AI-generated meme coin that puts control entirely in the hands of the users. They just joined December 2024 and 719 tweets. So it's not a brand new token. It came out 1 month, 4 days ago on Uniswap, but it still continues to do well. Now it says Nitro token is an AI-generated meme coin. The creator is an engineer that was inspired by Turbo, wanting to make the next great decentralized community-driven coin. Now, even though it's older, it's still got a decent-sized market cap, $2.3 million market cap. That's also their fully diluted valuation, and pretty popular token. It's up 6.5% today, and they have a 24-hour trading volume of $138,000. Now they have $134,000 worth of liquidity in Uniswap, and according to Dex Screener, 100% of their total liquidity is locked and burned. So that's great to see. Now, if you wanted to get this token here, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Ethereum tokens. So you could use a Trust wallet, you could use a MetaMask wallet, or a Coinbase wallet. Any one of those wallets would do, and you could download a wallet from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or you could get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund your wallet with ETH. Now you could fund your wallet with ETH from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with ETH, you'd go into the dApps, you would find Uniswap, and then using the contract address you could find on their official webpage, nitrofrogtoken.com, which is right there. You would trade your ETH for this token. Now, as far as slippage goes, they have a little audit here we could check out. There's 0% buy and sell tax, so you don't have to worry about slippage. You will have to pay some gas fees, though. So, Nitro is a decentralized meme coin built on the power of community and artificial intelligence. In an era where memes and humor drive cultural trends, Nitro blends the best of both worlds. Unlike traditional meme coins, Nitro is not just another speculative asset. It's a community-driven token where every decision is shaped by the collective of the holders. Through decentralized governance, Nitro gives power back to the people, allowing the community to directly influence its development and ensure that it remains fun, dynamic, and a sustainable project. So the technology and uses, Nitro leverages a robust, secure Ethereum blockchain through the ERC20 standard, ensuring a decentralized, transparent, and scalable foundation for the token. The underlying technology supports seamless transactions and enables a variety of use cases within the Nitro token. As a meme coin, Nitro thrives in a world of social media and internet culture, offering a fun and engaging way for the community to participate. Beyond its entertainment value, Nitro can be utilized for community governance and potentially as a means for rewarding creative contributions. Nitro is designed with a sustainable, community-focused tokenomics model that ensures both short-term excitement and long-term growth with a 420 billion token supply, 378 billion tokens for fair launch and community, 21 billion reserved for the founder, 12.6 billion reserved for community marketing, and 8.4 billion tokens reserved for the liquidity pool investors. Some of the key features of the Nitro token: all tokens are in circulation. There is no reserved tokens for the team or advisors, which ensures that there is no unfair allocation or centralization of the token supply, and this approach fosters transparency and trust, allowing every holder to participate on an equal footing in the growth of the project. Now, they're entirely community-driven, governed by the community, with decisions regarding the future development of the project made through decentralized governance. There's no taxes on transactions. So the Nitro token has zero transaction taxes, and this means that users can buy, sell, and transfer Nitro without worrying about extra fees or hidden costs. Every transaction remains simple and transparent, fostering an open market where the community can freely engage with the token. Also, renounced ownership, so developers have given up control over the contract and cannot alter or manipulate the token's rules, and this ensures that the token is fully decentralized and immune to central control. Now, Nitro begins the launch of the ERC20 token on the ETH blockchain, laying the foundation. Now, it says it's community-driven project. It'll be listed on major central exchanges. Regular updates will be made on the roadmap on the website to reflect the feedback, governance decisions, and engagement opportunities. So if we go over to the webpage, there is a roadmap starting with develop and deploy smart contracts, design the launch of the website, establish and grow social media channels, launch token, initiate distribution, build a vibrant community, implement marketing strategies with meme-based outreach, begin token listings on central exchanges, release the first roadmap within the community, begin campaigns and events with community, secure central exchange listings, and become a top meme coin of all time. So go check this token out. NitroFrogToken.com is the webpage. You can find a full white paper over there. Their Telegram, Nitro Frog Token, has over 600 subscribers. Check out the Twitter right here. Check out my new Twitter that I just made. It's in the description box down there. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.